Hi everyone, welcome to Neo Home Tuition. It's me Nasira Anish. ഇന്ന് 10th CBSE Physics first chapter Light, its reflection and refraction എന്ന ഭാഗമാണ് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. I hope you all are fine there. If you are ready, without any delay, let us start our chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. You have learned from the lower class itself about light and its properties. Do you remember those things now? Let us try to recall those properties now. Are you ready? If so, which are the concepts you have related to the topic light? Yes. First one, we know light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. Yes. എന്താണ് ലൈറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇലക്ട്രോമാഗ്നറ്റിക് എനർജിയാണ് which gives the sensation of vision. Very good. If so, do you know the branch of science which deals with the study of light? Yes, it is optics. The branch of science which deals with the study of light is known as optics. Can you say the path of light then? Yes, we have learned that light travels along a straight line. If so, what do you mean by a ray of light? എന്താണ് ray of light എന്നാൽ? A ray of light is a line in the direction of movement of light. Is it correct? Yes, a ray of light is a line in the direction of movement of light. Yes, all these things are with you related to light. But in this chapter, we have to learn some important phenomena related to light. Do you know which are they? Yes, from the heading itself, you know, it is reflection and refraction. എന്താണ് reflection? Do you have any idea? If so, please observe this picture now. What you can see here? അതെ, വളരെ മനോഹരമായ ഒരു താജ്മഹലിന്റെ പിക്ചർ ആണ് നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? താജ്മഹലിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നമ്മൾക്ക് അതിന്റെ ഒരു ഇമേജും കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇതിന്റെ ഇമേജ് ഇവിടെ ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയുന്നത്? ഇതുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ലൈറ്റിന്റെ എന്ത് പ്രോസസ്സാണ് ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത് എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറയാൻ സാധിക്കുമോ? It is nothing but reflection of light. ഈ ലൈറ്റിന്റെ റിഫ്ലക്ഷനുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് ചെറുപ്പത്തില് നിങ്ങൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് നടത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഒന്ന് ഓർത്തു നോക്കിയേ. ഇപ്പോൾ ഓർമ്മ വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഈ ഒരു എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റിന്റെ പിന്നിൽ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന ലൈറ്റിന്റെ ഏത് പ്രോസസ്സാണ് എന്ന് പറയാൻ സാധിക്കുമോ? യെസ്, അതും റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ലൈറ്റ് ആണ്. ഇതിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയി നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാൻ ഇതിന്റെ ഒരു റേ ഡയഗ്രാം നമ്മൾക്ക് വരച്ചു നോക്കാം. Are you ready? If so, please try it. ഇതുപോലുള്ള ഒരു പിക്ചർ ആണോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിച്ചത്? ഒരു ടോർച്ചിൽ നിന്നും ലൈറ്റ് റേസ് ഒരു പ്ലെയിൻ മിററിലേക്ക് നാം ഫോൾ ചെയ്യിച്ചാൽ what we can observe there? Yes, നമ്മൾക്ക് ലൈറ്റ് അതേ മീഡിയത്തിലേക്ക് തന്നെ റിഫ്ലക്ട് ചെയ്ത് വരുന്നതായി കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. More clearly, let us draw another picture in order to understand some terms related to this process. What are they? Which are the lines you can see in here? Yes, there are three lines. First one is incident light, another one is reflected light, then third one is normal. ഈ മൂന്ന് ലൈൻ കൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ എന്താണ് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Can you explain those terms? What is first one? That is incident light. A ray or light which is allowed to fall on that plane mirror is known as incident light. But it is a ray or light which is allowed to fall on that plane mirror or plane surface is known as incident light. If so, what is this reflected light? അതെ, ഒരു പ്ലെയിൻ മിററിൽ വന്ന് പതിക്കുന്ന ലൈറ്റ് അതിൽ നിന്നും തട്ടി അതേ മീഡിയത്തിലേക്ക് തന്നെ പ്രതിഫലിക്കുന്നതായിട്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ റിഫ്ലക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിട്ട് നമ്മൾക്ക് കാണാൻ സാധിക്കും. That ray which is reflected back to the same medium after falling on a plane surface is known as reflected ray. The ray reflected back to the same media after reflection is known as reflected ray. If so, what is normal? From the picture itself, we can define that it is a line drawn perpendicular to the surface at a given point. Isn't it? We can see that normal is a line drawn perpendicular to the surface at a given point. Isn't it? Besides these lines, we can see two representations there. I and R. What it is? Let us try to find it. Here we can see that this I is noted in between incident ray and normal. If so, how we can define this I? Yes, it is the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is defined as the angle between incident ray and normal. If so, what is R here? R is known as angle of reflection. How we can define this angle of reflection? Yes, from this picture we can easily define that. That is, the angle between reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. Now we have the terms incident ray, reflected ray, normal, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Once more, let us recall these terms related to reflection. Which are they? ഒന്നാമത്തേത് incident light. The light which falls on the surface is called incident light. The second one, that is reflected ray. The light which goes back after reflection is called reflected light. Then angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and normal. Then angle of reflection is the angle between reflected ray and normal. The last one is normal. We know normal is a line drawn perpendicular to the surface at a given point. If you understand these terms, can you define the process reflection? Yes. The phenomenon of bouncing back of light into the same medium by the smooth surface is called reflection. But it is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light to the same medium by the smooth surface is known as reflection. Now, we discuss about incident light, reflected light and normal. Is it easy to draw these lines without any conditions? No. There are certain conditions in order to draw this incident light and reflected light. Which are they? Can you? Yes, these conditions are known as laws of reflection. What are these laws? Can you then? What is first law? The incident ray, the reflected ray and normal all lie on the same plane. But it is the incident ray, reflected ray and normal all are lie on the same plane. If so, what is the second law related to reflection? The angle of reflection is equal to angle of incidence. What it is? I is equal to R. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So, in this session, just we discuss the definition for reflection, the terms related to reflection, and the laws of reflection. We have then to discuss some devices related to reflection by the next class. So, let us conclude today's session by revising the concept that we have learned in this session. What's the first one? Yes, we discussed the important concepts of light that we have learned from the lower classes. Then we discussed the terms related to reflection, which are they? Incident ray, reflector ray, normal, angle of incidence, and angle of reflection. Then we give the definition for reflection. What it is? The phenomenon of bouncing back of light into the same medium by a smooth surface is called reflection. The last, we discussed the laws of reflection. There are two laws. The first one is the incident ray, reflector ray, and normal lies on the same plane. Then the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. I hope you all understand these concepts very well. If so, let us wind up this class here. That's all. Thank you.